Okay, here, let's see. I'm making this piece of the ring. It's wax cord. We cut it. It's no need so much long. We braid it first. After we braid it enough long, then we go it here and the back, then like this to make it like a ring. Okay, so here we just make it first. This is the way. Braid. We go to make it a brown color. Hope it can be fast finish here. Okay. I make this kind of the ring when I worked in the jewelry factory before about 10 years ago, and where I use the steering silver connector here. We use a steering silver connector at this part at the charm. Let me see. It's this braid way. I think everyone know it. It's small and thin. It take a little time. If we have something to pull here tight, then it will be faster to braid. Here I don't want to put on the wood display. Just braid. Okay. Here. Here. Okay, I'm going to get display. It will be better to help. 那个夹子，这个卖完了是吧？夹子还有多余。好像是没有。应该有一套配套的夹子的，那个夹子没有。 Then it can help a little bit. It takes a little time. Tape it down. Yeah, with tape is a good idea. So here, I should not cut this wire, this thread so early. If it's not so early, it can be tight, it's straight, then it will be easy. It takes a little time to braid. I remember we make the braid ring long time ago. I think I have a sample, but maybe give it to someone. Yes. Make a ring for Ella. But maybe she don't like the color brown. She like pink. She like blue. Okay, I just show you the way that how to make it the clothes. Yeah, the clothes is the important important for make it strong is this way to make the clothes. Here, this way. We need to go it back here and then this way here. Then when you are continue braid, this cord need braid inside. So it means the beginning here inside is two cord, two thread, and the back here is four thread. Okay, here. When I make a note, you will be understand what I mean. So it means now here the cord is be note in. So this way it can be adjust the length. Yeah, it can be adjust the length and it's strong enough. You cannot see any note here. This one here. So this is the way that's to close the ring. Can see here. See, and now here is the 4 cord, and it can be moved. It means it can be adjusted smaller here. So if you are do some jewelry business, you can braid it smallest size at the beginning, and if someone the size bigger, it just keep the thread not cut, and you make it to here, then left the space here. If then when the customer come, you can adjust the ring size by the customer size, then to finish the end. If this is easy to understand what I mean. Yeah, it means that you can make it half made here, and to finish it at the last step, just confirm the size. Here. And it's strong, it's not easy to be open. Here. This way. It's wax cord. You can use a chain as the connector, as the band. Use a chain per monitor ring. See here, and this part can be adjusted the size still. You can make the size bigger if you want. Here. See, it can be moved the size bigger, or pull here, make the size small, then continue braid it. I'm trying to wear on my hand and make it in different color. I remember long time ago, my customer is use a one beads, and this design not only by this ball. I think this can be done as well. You can use this kind of the connector to make the ring braid. How do you stop it from move one side? It's like this. It can be do as well. Yeah, and the stopper is like this. We braid it to the last end. We cut away the wire, and here we cut away the wire and burn it. So the cord burn is wax cord. After burn is with how to say, it's wax cord. Wax cord when you burn the end, then it's with a bigger top, so it's not easy to move in. Yeah, so that is the way here. Okay, I will finish it after my life, but this is the idea. After we cut here, we burn it, and here we cut and burn the side, so it come the ring here. This one, not bad. Handmade ring. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's cute. And this one, it can be a try. Maybe when see this, I was thinking